Wait, they're locked out. It says I must be level 20. They hotfixed it. I can't enter the raid. It says you must be level 20 to enter? Try relogging? There's no way. You must be level 20 to enter. It doesn't... It's not letting me get... Blizzard! Oh, maybe it's because we're in combat. You guys think it's because we're in combat? Hold on, let me try something. Let me try something. I'm gonna die and then run in. They hotfixed it? There's no way. I'm level 25. It says you must be level 20 to enter. That doesn't make any sense.